went over Connor's way. I'll be safe with Connor. Don't worry. I'll be safe with Connor. He's already over there. Wait, I'm safe with Connor. Safe with Connor. Ecuador. Coming back to shore too. Coming this way. Wait, go that way, yeah. Going over these rules. Okay. Following you, Connor. Yeah. Drive with Connor. Just be careful with the turning because I don't want to lose
We're
it.
going straight now.
Don't do that. Don't turn too quick. We're all going fast. I'm gonna drive. You're drowning. Can I drive?
I don't think you're supposed to do that. What?
Reach. Holy cow, that's actually pretty cool. Okay.
Wow.
Why are the ducks eating the carrot?
You want some rice?
Yeah.
Good, you want to hide? That's fancy how the front end's doing.
Yeah, it's like scooping up the wall. Right?
Yep. Oh, that's the wrong direction.
Mine's the front turning.
I'm trying to get it
The
trimmed
back's
out.
not. Now the back is turning.
Yeah, that's about the best one supposed to go anyway.
Yeah. Mine goes really fast.
Oh yeah, yours goes jump around. Go
Be
underwater.
careful right behind you because that's
You jump underwater already?
Look.
Oh yeah. That's the wrong direction. Man, this is so confusing.
because you don't know what
Oh
you're
man.
doing.
Yeah, it's backwards. It just
This
gives
is-
me.
I know. Mine doesn't
Is
do
it
because
backwards?
mine is not backwards.
Yeah, it turns backwards.
Get away from my boat. Get away.
Grab the duck, grab it.
Fast.
Is it getting lower in the water? Am I
Go
seeing
in the water.
things?
Yeah. One goes ducks over. One goes ducks over.
Oh, it's still floating right there in the water.
One goes dirt. The ducks over. One goes ducks over.
Dude is Willie.
I know. But I see like go fast, like. It
You know, I'm
doesn't
about to
really-
take out the can and just see what it does.
Yeah, it will do properly.